Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, December 13th, and we're going to take a look here at Aflac. And this is a pending price action setup that I've been watching and that I'm still keeping an eye on here for the breakout to hold. And what we have here is a nice range-bound market. We've been in it in a sideways range since earlier this year, around June. We peaked out around beginning of June and have just chopped sideways. I'm going to keep bouncing off this resistance. It was the previous all-time highs. Keep bouncing off this resistance here over and over and over again up around the 57, 58 area. So what I'm watching for is a breakout above 58 and for that to hold with volume. So you can see last week we technically broke out to the upside, but we didn't have above average volume. I typically want to see strong volume on the breakout to confirm, and we didn't get that yet. So I'm still keeping an eye on it. Now, once we do break out above that 58 level, I'd be looking for a push up to 60, 65 area at least. An example of a trade that has done something similar to this is Hershey's. This is when we were watching in the trading room where we had been chopping sideways, as you can see. Had nice resistance. We had tagged multiple times around the 183 level. We broke out last week. All right. And the lead up to that, we had a really strong volume where all these people were stepping in, buying, formed the hammer. Then we break out last week. And we're following through so far this week, looking pretty good. So keep an eye on Aflac. Same type of setup. I like the fact that we had the higher low here on price leading into the breakout. So I want to see us stay above 53.66. And then I really want to see us trigger above the 58 level with volume, with strong volume on a weekly basis. And then we should be clear for this to keep running. Like I said, this has been several months in the making here. So keep an eye on it. Good looking setup. I'll follow up with it in a few weeks once it has triggered, or if it hasn't, and talk about where it's going to go from there. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. I'm going to keep doing this type of video going forward where we talk about pending setups, and then I'll come back and loop around and follow up with, okay, here's how it played out or what we're looking for next. So that's it for now. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.